Even if you've never studied English before, you will understand this video. Don't wait any longer. Start now. This video is for absolute beginners. What's in my bag? I took my bag to my parents' house yesterday. I visited them for just one day. What do you think I packed in my bag for just one day visiting my parents? Guess. So, let's start. I packed my iPad, making sure everybody is learning inside of the community. Speaking is the only way. What else is in my bag? What is this called? A charger. This is my charger. I also packed, what is this? A portable charger. Or a power bank. I always use my portable charger for my phone and my charger for my iPad. What's next? My sunglasses. Lately, every day is sunny outside. Whew. I bought these sunglasses at the market. Guess how much I spent on these sunglasses? I only spent 200 pesos on these sunglasses. 200. $10. Was that a cheap price or an expensive price? What do you think? What's next? What are these called? Headphones. Are these wireless headphones or wired headphones? Wireless or wired? Wired headphones. Next. Now these are wireless or wired? Wireless. No wires. Do you prefer wireless headphones or wired headphones? Why? Tell me in the comments. Next up, we have my Kindle. My Kindle that I read on. I'm reading a really good book. It's called Braiding Sweetgrass. It's a very good book. It's about nature and how we are a part of nature. So we need to respect and take care of nature. It's a really good book. I recommend it to you. I have a question for you. Do you prefer to read real physical books or books on a Kindle? Why? Type your answers so I can read them and so you can practice. Next up, a chocolate. It's a chocolate bunny. Let me unwrap this. A chocolate bunny. I love chocolate bunnies. Do you like chocolate bunnies? What else do I have in my bag? My wallet with all of my cards and change and important things. I have my medicine. Yesterday, I was super sick to my stomach. My face went pale. The bags under my eyes were terrible. I had nausea and belly cramps. I had food poisoning. I ate a bad fish. I bought some fresh tuna at the supermarket, but my refrigerator isn't working very well. So sometimes it doesn't cool down the food like it should. So I think the fish was gone bad. But I ate it anyways, and that was one of the worst food poisonings I've ever experienced. When in doubt, throw it out. That's what they say. Next time, I'll listen to that. When in doubt, throw it out. Next, I have my chapstick. It's a little Vaseline for when my lips are chapped. You wear chapstick. It's not lipstick. Lipstick is with color and it's just to look pretty. Chapstick is for chapped lips, for moisturizing. Now, we have a what is this? What's this called? This is a receipt. Very good. You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" And they will give you this receipt. What's next? We have face soap. Some face soap in a small bottle so I can take it with me wherever I go. Now we have, what is this called? It's a lock. Correct. I use this lock when I go to the gym to lock up my stuff. What's next? I have some earrings. Some earrings. They're so pretty. I have a necklace. It's a little bit tangled. A little bit tangled up, but it's so pretty. So shiny. Then I have a ring. This is a very special ring that I bought in Thailand. There. I bought this in Thailand. It's a very special ring. I bought it when I went to the elephant sanctuary. I have a bracelet, a very pretty bracelet. It's Jade. And that's it. That was everything that's in my bag. If you want to learn comprehensible English, be sure to subscribe and like this video so I know to make more videos like these. If you want to make money by learning English, then check out my English community and start speaking today. And remember, guys, never stop learning. I'll see you next time. Bye.